I think the biggest aspect of what pushes me or what encourages me to teach is when the light goes off in a person's consciousness. It's like something wakes up within a person and they get it. Whether it's they get a connection within their body or they get a connection in their mind, they connect their suffering or their pain to something that has happened in their life and they immediately let it go. It just dissolves in that moment. Sometimes they connect to their happiness. Sometimes they connect to their source of joy. Sometimes they connect to knowledge. And sometimes they just connect deeply to themselves. But you always, as a teacher, can see when a person connects and it's the most exhilarating experience that you can ever have.